this is why I like simple examples, right? Okay, so let's go back to this, right? So we're paying. Okay, so this is your supplier price, right? And we're paying usually, okay, $1.25 per unit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we're paying Amazon about $1 or less to ship it to Amazon from the prep
Okay.
center.
Right.
That's it.
But let's say there was six of them,
If it's a six
No.
pack, if it's a
or
six
three
pack,
pack, or whatever pack. Like we have a bundle, like we're doing.
right. So for bundles, okay. So here, so for bundles, you're gonna add 50 cents.
Okay, but that doesn't really make sense because what if I was like a 50 pack? They're only charging me 50 cents because I have 50 units for that. You get
Right.
what I'm trying.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what they said. So
That's it. 50
yeah.
cents. So it doesn't matter how many units are in that bundle. Just the fact that it's a bundle, they're only charging 50 more cents.
Right.
It's a 2 pack or 20 pack.
Right.
That's
Yeah.
weird. Okay. That's kind of weird. I mean,
Yeah.
it's good for us, but
Yeah. I mean, it's usually just like six pack anyway. It's like rare to have like 20 pack products anyway. So
yeah, no, I'm just saying like a lot of times, sometimes you're doing like a double, like a two pack or a 3 pack, and then you're having to buy, three separate units for
right.
that.
Yeah, they just charge like an extra 50 cents per
That's
bundle.
it.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Gotcha. It just, yeah. All right.
And one
Yeah.
more question on the bundles, if I can ask, and this sounds like a weird question. Well, to me it was. So I bought a 4 pack of something from Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't put it as a bundle because Amazon sells them in 4 packs.
Okay.
But
Well,
the prep center asked me,
uh-huh.
you didn't say this was a bundle. Because to me it wasn't.
Right. Well, how did you get it from your supplier? Did it come in fours or is it like
Yes.
separate?
No, it came in fours.
Mm. Well, they know how to package, so like whatever they say is what's gonna go.
I think what I did, so what I ended up doing, so they wanted me to change the bundle to a yes, and I did, but then I just put so many in. I mean, it's all equaled out to be the same, I guess. So they'll know not to create the bundle anyway, right?
Well, it needs to be packaged properly, and they're gonna reach out to you. So yes, if they tell you to like make it a bundle on a spreadsheet, then yes, I would do that for sure.
Well, I did, but it didn't make sense to me because even though it's a bundle, it came in a bundle.
Right.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay,
It doesn't matter because they need to pack it properly for Amazon to receive it properly too. So
I got you.
yeah,
It was just a weird issue. Yeah. Okay.
yeah. Because I'm not sure if you packed before, but they usually like put, let's say it's like a four-piece, right? They usually, I don't know, like a four-piece pen, right? And they
Hmm.
like bundle it in like one plastic bag right there, and then they put a sticker.
Oh, because the stick. Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
They put that. They put that. Uh, right. They put the Amazon sticker on it, right?
yeah, the ASIN.
The ASIN, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So this one's a buy.
I
Buy.
can't remember now.
Okay, buy. Oh, this is a good example, like this one, right? Right there, Elaine.
Yeah,
Right there,
perfect.
right? Yeah.
Yep.
I know what you're saying. Yeah, it's like this. So yeah, it's a two pack. Let's see. All right.
Good sales per month.
So Tresemme, hairspray, extra firm control. Same one. Extra hold. Extra firm. Is that the same? Oh, extra hold. Okay. Another example of same product but different packaging, right?
Yes, yeah, that's the question I had, right.
Or is it really the same? Tresemme extra hold, hairspray. So Tresemme extra firm. What? It says extra hold, right? Extra hold,
Yeah,
right? So 14.6 ounces. 14.5. Close enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks good, right? Okay.
That looks
The
good.
same? What's the verdict? Is it the same or not?
well, let me see, look at the other one again.
I feel like I have a jury here.
Yeah, see, that's the same thing I'm coming up with.
Yeah, right. So
Yeah.
That one doesn't say hold on the bottle, but it's okay. Like that in
That
bold,
one says extra hold, doesn't it?
no,
Yeah, it says extra hold on the bottom, but
the other one says just hold on
The old one just says
one says
hold.
firm hold.
the
Extra-
Oh,
bottom.
extra hold, it does say extra hold, okay.
extra hold, but the packaging are so different though.
I know, that's how the
Like,
one I was looking
Way
at
off,
was.
but I mean, it looks the same, right? So I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna send you that one.
Yeah, so these are good
'Cause I
examples,
don't know
right?
either.
First look study. So I mean, I would say it's the same. So let's just say it's the same. Let's just run the numbers, right? So
I think that second picture there, Lewis,
uh-huh.
go to the other, that second picture, I think might be the same one. No, on the side, the second picture,
Second picture.
on
Oh,
the side.
On the left.
Yeah.
we're here.
Oh, no, that's the back. I thought it looked like the other one. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
All right.
Yeah, actually you're right. Is that the same? No, it's not the same.
No, it's the back of it.
Is that the same? So yeah, this is a good example. I think it's the same product with different packaging. Right? And then from here, we just run the numbers. So 12.98. Why is it negative again? 12.98 the cost.
But you're saying that if it is still the same packaging or different packaging, would you still do it?
Yeah, I'll still do it. You know
And
what's
then
fun?
Amazon's
Like,
not gonna ding you for it?
not really. No, not from my experience. And it's funny too because people don't even care when they buy it. I mean, they don't look really.
Oh, that's
Honest.
true. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. I'm not saying like send the wrong products, right? But if it's
No,
close,
I know, I know, I know.
yeah, if it's really close, then it's good.
Okay.
It's fine. All right, this
On
one.
that same note, Lewis,
Uh-huh.
I didn't do it, but I saw a product where there was 2 cups and it was on Amazon, it was 14 ounce
Uh-huh.
cups, but it was mugs for coffee. But on the seller's website, it was 16 ounce. They didn't have 14 ounce.
Mm.
And I know like I didn't do it because one is 14 and one is 16. I didn't want to do that. But do you think that would be a problem if you give the customer more than what they're
Right. Honestly, no.
no?
No, because honestly, like from my experience, people don't
I
even.
mean, it's not like it's a huge difference,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I've been selling online since 2018, and I know for sure people don't read. That is for
Okay.
sure.
So I probably should have done it because okay. All right.
Yeah, they don't
Thank you.
read. I don't know why they don't read because I don't know. But as
Or
long
they
as they're really
probably-
close.
They
Huh?
probably assumed they clicked on it. They
Right.
probably assumed they did it, so they just take it.
Yeah. I mean, think about your buying behavior, right? I'm not sure if you're really like anal about your products, but I mean, do you guys really check when you buy something or
No, not really.
right? You just gotta buy it,
Well,
right?
I am if it's like makeup. That's why you can't, like makeup and
Right.
nail stuff, you can't. Girls know that stuff.
Oh, okay.
We
There
have
you go.
our eyes on like everything.
Yeah,
the
so
cup-
we makeup questions, call Leslie. Make sure. All right.
Yeah, I'm mad. I can't sell any makeup. I'm gated and everything, but like every time I see something for the makeup, I'm like, oh, great. And I was like, oh, can't sell it.
All right. Yeah, so this one, right? You plug in your cost and then you go to the bottom. There's only one seller, 18 FBM. And this one FBA seller is selling at $34.99, right? So I would
So
put
that-
34.99.
So that one will be a good one to stop at.
Yeah, this one has a high ROI, 50% ROI. And then you can also look at Keepa. So this is another example for you, Elaine. So
I
on
look at
seller-
Keep all the time.
Right, so on Seller Amp, right? The next
I,
seller is
I,
selling
I'm
like
doing both. No, I
$35.
don't look at seller amps, the charts. I look at charts at Keepa.
Hmm,
And that's the one question I was confused about because the Keepa chart, I don't know, you probably won't know this question, but like the regular buy box for a long time was $27 and it up to 35, we'll say, something like that.
yeah, so this one is
And it was just risky to me because
right.
there's only one seller on it now. So I'm thinking they're waiting for more and I think the price might drop again.
Yeah, I mean, that's really your call. It's like this one, right? This one is selling at like $27.
Mhm.
So
But
I
I don't
mean-
have that much data on it since there's only one seller.
so
I don't know.
yeah, so you're right. So at $27, this one is risky, right?
Mhm.
Because at $27, it's gonna be negative.
Right.
So that's
And
gonna be
that's
your
kind of
clue.
where I'm looking. I'll be negative if it drops down to that price.
Right, but at like $32, you're gonna be at like 30% ROI. So that's gonna be the risk that you're gonna have to like
Yeah, this is something I gotta think about, right?
yeah. So always just do like a test buy if you're not sure.
You can just buy a couple.
Yeah,
That makes sense because it'll probably sell anyway since nobody else is on there right now.
yeah. So for this one, what's the verdict? Are you buying it or no?
Yeah, mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, $35. All right. So buy.